Good morning, everyone. This is Team 7. Our team consists of Casper, Duke, Tyler, and Jared. This is our team submission for Track 4 with our Product Community Food Bank Support Hub. So the current status quo is that there's this culinary training program for people with vulnerable backgrounds so that they could get on their feet, have a certified food handling certifications. They could get a job and have a stable income to support their life. But the problem is this program only has a graduation rate of 60%. And there's no data on why students are leaving or the ability to improve program accommodations because of the lack of the data. So our group think of a solution that is to allow students to give feedback to the instructor and then allow the instructor to improve their courses based on the feedback. Our product also supports people who are going through tough life situations, and it connects low-income students or people who are struggling with additional resources. So this is our product right here, and this is a website where instructors and people who participate in the program will have access to. So as you can see right now, I am logging into my account. I am a student who participate in the program, and so at the end of every training week, there will be a survey that's sent out to the students, and it's a very short and sweet survey that is only this long, and it gives the students feedback on how everything is going, but we also take care of how their week was going, because not everybody has an easy time with some moments in their life. So we would love to know how their week was going, if they were struggling with some stuff, or if they're currently having a very good experience with the program and their life is going great. This data is entirely anonymous, but it would help the conductor to know how well their students are doing and how much help they need, or the feedback to make the program better based on what the participators feedback. So you can send this to the coordinator, and we'll have an AI program that will take care of all the feedback, compile it into a very simple instructions or like a small paragraph that will be brief for the instructor to read and would understand what needs to be done with the program. Additionally, students who are struggling in their week with life stuff will be directed to support resources where we have a variety of stuff to help them navigate life, because navigating life is very difficult and we should always help with that. So this is our way to help with that, and also our way of making sure that they are doing well in life to keep on participating in this program. So a quick update on the technical overview. The website is bridge2thrive89.lovable.at. The front end is written in React, the back end is written in Django. Authentication uses Super-based authentications, and the database is in PostgreSQL. The model card is that there's the inputs of weekly check-in system, the summary of personal events, and absentee data, so that once we have students who are leaving, who are absent enough, we would like to check in on them on how they're doing in life and whether or not they need to be redirected to other resources. And the output is a summary of responses for the conductor to fix or change the course depending on how the class is going, and also a risk factor for students who are about to leave the program. And the impact will improve the student retention rate, improve the efficacy of the training program, and connect resources with people who are really in need. For our future work, we're implementing custom domains so that this program would be easier to maintain, and also to improve the instructor UI experience so that they would have more information, or the layout is cleaner, so to make things as smooth as possible. And that is it for our presentation for track 4. Thank you for listening.